Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your existing account on the EHA Markets Trading App. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the EHA Markets application on your device and you will be taken into the sign up page directly. To log into your existing account, tap on the login button and you can now enter your email address or your phone number to proceed with logging in. If you signed up to your account using your Google account, your Facebook or Apple ID, then you can also tap on the respective buttons to log in through a shortcut. After entering your email address, tap on the login button and you will be asked to enter your password. Type in your account password and then tap on the login button and you will be logged into your existing EHA Markets trading account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can tap on the forgot password button, which will allow you to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on the EHA Markets Trading App. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you again in the next one.